Anybody tried it?
Yes, sir.
Hey, if we start work now, exam time is right around the corner. I am praying to God that them just make us do the multiple choice. Up to now, because I don't know. You know what I was thinking also. I think the exam year is going to be more detrimental than last year, because you know why? We would have last year students would have had experiences for live classes from September, not true? From September, October, November, December, January, February, and probably halfway through March. You know, and then April, May, like that's like 2 months before exams. You know, that the pandemic took place. But now, from September till now, is everything online. So it to me, boy, I don't know what's gonna happen. Trust me. To me, the results are gonna be extremely poor, because one, I can tell you that almost like all my classes, at least 50% of students are always online. Whether 50 other 50% internet. Even right now, where a person is gonna be, it's gonna be rough. Yeah, but at least you guys went through the worst, aren't you? You guys came through, right? For the CSEC. So
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yeah, and you know, some of you did extremely well. Not true, Travis and Odisa.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What was the Otisa, what was your profile for math? You remember?
A profile, sir.
Sir,
A straight
sir.
through?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Yes, sir. Same
Awesome.
thing.
Straight A profile. Very good.
Yes,
So,
sir. Same thing.
thank you. Yeah, man. That's awesome. You know, hey, hold on. Can't do that. Take it up. Yeah, man. That's very good. All right. So, all right. Who wants to take a shot? All right. Tell you what. Let me do it this way. I want one person to tell me the first line, and then the other person to the other part. Oh, that sound. I don't want one person to do the whole thing.
I'll do the first 2 to 4.
All right. Okay. You can start. Hold on. Let me. All right. Anytime you're ready. Are you there?
2 to the 4. 4. Negative 3x to the 0. Sir, is it minus or plus?
Come
4.
on. It's always a plus it's always a plus there.
Okay.
But so this is where you put the minus inside the bracket.
Okay, sir. Thanks. 4 times 2 to the 3. I'm gonna do it now 1. To the 3. Minus 3x. 1. plus 2 to the 2 minus 3x, that's 2, plus 2 1 minus 3x to the third plus 2 to the 0 negative 3x to the 4.
All right. Thank you very much. Is that correct, class?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I would think so. Very good. Who was talking now? I didn't catch your name. I didn't get to look.
Kendra.
Okay, cool. Thank you, sir. Thank you, miss. All right. All right, who wants to take the other part? Which I consider the harder part. You realize that the other part is the harder part, don't you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. That part of the trickiest part. You have to be very, very. It's not like you want to take on this.
Yes,
Teacher.
sir. Sir, put the a one in front of two, and it's
Oh,
you,
oh, the coefficients. Right, right. That
yes,
was
sir.
missing, right? All right.
One,
Yeah. It's 1.
4, 6, 4, 1. Ready now, sir?
Yeah, man.
Negative 16.
Hold on there. Hold on there. I want you to dissect. I want you to dissect it first, yeah? So what I'm going to do, I'm up top here. I'm going to.
16. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2.
Right. All right. So hold on there. Hold on there. Oh boy. Oh, I can't even find the thing. Sorry about that, there. Um, where is that thing? Okay, I'm looking for the document here. Sorry about that. No, it's strange. It's not that. Whoa, that's strange, guys. Oh, okay. Yes, okay, yeah. So you have 1, which is that one, and then 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4 is what? 16. Alright, and what else? When you work out this, what do you get?
Negative
Negative
1.
1.
Hold on. I hear two someone talk a while ago.
Negative 1, sir.
Really?
So,
You sure?
sir, no.
Sir, no zero.
No, man.
A 1?
What?
Said we? Oh,
Positive one.
Yes, positive 1.
hold on this, sir. Hold on. Oh, that. Because my man do that tell me, so whenever a negative number is like, has a power of 0, I thought it was negative 1.
No, man. The rule says anything raised to the 0th power is equal to what? 1.
Oh.
Anything. So, you know. So this is actually this is actually 16. All right. Yes, Otisa, continue.
Yes, sir. Minus.
So it's 4,
Oh.
right? No, I want
Yes,
no, I don't.
4
I
times
don't want
8.
Yeah, I don't want you to give me the final answer. I want us to walk us through. You know. So this 4 down here, so is this 4 up here, so? And 2 to the 3 is what? 8. All right.
8
What about this?
Eight.
What about
minus times negative 3.
All right.
Negative 3x.
All right. Cool. All right. Let me show you something, guys. Let me show you something. Wow, that's big. All right. Okay. So what you know? All right. You see this piece here, guys? You see this right here, so? This is actually this. It's actually negative 3 raised to the 1 and x raised to the 1. Follow?
Sir,
We
never
never
know
know
that.
that, sir. We never
Yeah, man.
know that.
Yeah, man. So you see when you have the 1 outside, the 1 takes a 3 and the 1 takes a x. So for example, this one here. You see that one here? You see that one there? That's 2, not 2. So it would have been 2, and it would have been what? 2. So when you work out the 1 here, let me highlight it. I need to change that green in. Next thing you know, some label right. All right. So it's actually this is actually going to be positive 9x squared. You follow?
Okay, sir.
Sir.
All right. Cool. All right.
Yes, sir.
So what you know? You see, this one here now, this is negative 3 raised to the 1 power. So you get back your negative 3. Oops. Hold on. You get that?
Yes, sir.
Right. So is everybody else following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So when you
Yes,
multiply
sir.
all of this now, we all get now.
96.
Right. Well. It would have been negative 96. Not true.
Yes, sir.
But,
Yes,
but the
sir.
negative and this positive will eventually give us a what?
Negative.
Negative.
And then no, is it x here, so? Don't forget the x, you know. That's going to give you x, not true?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All right. Let me try to line it up so that you guys are, so that when you go back, you can see
Sir,
what
all
I'm.
minus coming.
What?
Eh?
She's
My God.
Sir, oh,
Uh-huh. You mean right here, so?
yes, sir.
All right. All right. Do you understand how we get all of this up here, so?
Yes, sir, I understand this.
All right. So when you work out all of this up here, so when you punch in everything in the calculator, you get negative 96, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So the negative times this positive will give you an overall what? Negative. All right. So it's like that's negative 96, right? So this negative and this positive gives you a what? A negative. All right.
Oh,
All
yes,
right.
sir.
All right. So let us go. Otisa, come with me now. Let's finish this up. So we have. Hold on.
6
Yeah. Hold on. My laptop is. It's a freeze up from the other day. So you have 6, right?
times 4
Mm-hmm.
and 9.
Right. Times positive 9, not true? All right. Right.
Yes, sir.
Sit right down here, so. Sit down here, so. So it's this 9 here. So everybody so get the positive 9. Hold on. Everybody so get the positive 9.
Yes, sir.
Right.
yes, sir.
Right. So
Sir.
when you multiply, what is 6 times 4 times 9?
216.
Oh, 16, not true? Right. Right. And
16.
that means that
216.
all of this positive, that positive, and that positive. So you end up with a what? Another what? Another positive. It's 216. And then no, you have the x squared, not true? All right.
Yes, sir.
Continuing now.
We have 4
Mm-hmm.
times 2
Times what?
I'm
Negative
not see right
27.
now.
Ikaw yun attack. Yun na si.
No. Mo see last something them we right. That's why I'm saying
Okay.
I'm
Are you
gonna
seeing it
go
now?
and come back.
Okay, alright. Is everybody seeing what I'm doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's
Yes,
probably
sir.
it's probably her net dip a while ago. So by the way, everybody saw I get negative 27 right here, so
Yes, sir.
Sir.
right. It would have
Yes,
been
sir.
negative 3. It would have been negative 3 raised to the 3 power. Alright? And negative 3 raised to the 3 is negative 27. Alright?
As well as the X.
Right. Well, no, the x won't take the negative,
I know, sir. I know, sir.
Yeah, right.
I'm just trying to add that to what you have said.
Yeah. Is she back? Okay. All right. Tell you what. I'm not probably Arnett gone.
Sir, she's back.
She's back. Okay. Okay. Otisa.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. You see now? Are you seeing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. So that's gonna be okay. So when you so that's gonna be
Negative 116 x squared. X cube.
okay. Same number again. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. Any questions, class?
Ready for next, sir?
Hold on it. Class, you have any questions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
All right. All right. Continue now.
1 times 81.
Well, all right. All right. So
That's 3 times 3.
hold on it. So this one is this one, and 2 to the 0 is also what? 1, not true. And then the negative 3 to the 4 is, as you said correctly, it is 81. Right, positive 81.
1.
Right. And then no.
Answer is 81x to the 4th power. Positive.
Yeah. That's the answer, no? Any questions?
No, sir.
All right. So let's look at the other one now. The other one is oh, it's
5.
5. Okay. I was wondering. All right. All right. So I need somebody to, I need one person to set the first line and
Sir,
another party. You go do it?
Yes, sir.
All right. Ready when you are.
A coefficient of what? 1.
Mm-hmm.
1 to the 5th power. Negative 2x to the 0 power.
Mm-hmm.
Plus 5, coefficient 5. 1 to the 4th power. negative 2x to the 1 power. Plus 10. 1 to the third power. Negative 2x to the second power. Plus 10. 1 to the second power. Negative 2x to the third power. Plus 5. 1 to the 1 power. Negative 2x to the fourth power. Plus 1.
Hold on there.
Please can you finish? One.
Hold on. Um. Continue. You there?
1 to the 0 power. Negative 2x to the fifth power.
All right. Yeah, man. That should be it. All right. Thank you. All right. Who wants to do the other one now? The other line. Come on, guys. Time is going.
Sir, we can go again.
Yeah, man. Can nobody not talk?
Right then, sir. So if
Not
the
hurt.
first part is 1 times 1.
One again, not true?
Times 1.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So all of this is just what?
So that equal 1.
Right. All of this is just 1.
1. And then I have 5 times 2 times negative 2.
Hold on it. Well. What about the 1 to the 4? That's just 1, not true?
Sir, no 1.
Yeah.
1. So I'm gonna skip out in my box.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sorry.
You're doing. Okay. That's what I say.
That is negative 2.
Right.
So that equals negative 10x.
All right. Very good.
The next part is 10 times 1.
You mean 10? 10 times 1.
Yes, and you have 2, 4. 4. Positive 4. That's it. So that
Which is what? When you work this out, what do you
of
get?
x squared. So you're not hear me?
No, you cannot break it up a little bit. Yeah,
So
it's
that
like,
both in
I
time.
think your internet, your internet is unstable.
So you hear me now?
I'm hearing you now. Yeah.
Times 1 times -8. -8.
Yeah.
Sir,
So
that
that
will change
is
to negative.
-80. -80 to the third power. Next part now you have 5 times 1 times 16. Positive 16, yes. So that's equal to 64.
Sir, 80 me get 80 to the fourth power.
Hmm?
80 to the fourth power me get. When you multiply everything like 5 times 1 times 16.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Hmm?
You get that?
Hold on. I'm looking at something. Oh. I know. I'm looking at the textbook. I was looking at the wrong thing a while ago. All right. Last one, no.
1 times 1 times 1 times -32. The answer is -32x to the 5th power.
Yes. So indeed, that is correct. All right. Now remember, you're not gonna space out the answer like what I just space it out like this because I just want it to be uniform. But you can join it up together when you finish.
Sir, when you space it out, it makes it more easier because
Yeah.
if I
Yeah.
join it together, it will be more confusing.
Confusing, right? And remember, I told you guys, you're not gonna get beyond 4, yeah. So all right. So let me tell you something. Sometimes they can reword the question. For example, let me show you something. By the way, before I continue, is everybody following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. let me do a roll call, cause sometimes I'm always hearing similar voices. I'm not hearing everybody's voices. Let me see who there. Oh, I don't see Zedford. Come on, say Zedford no come back school. You know, you guys said that man no come back school on Friday. That man never there for a Friday yet. Don't know why. I hardly see man on Friday. Jamila, are you there?
Sir.
You following?
Yes, sir.
All right. Cunningham,
Yes, sir.
you following?
Yes, sir.
All right. Chamari.
Yes, sir.
All right. I spoke to Tian already. All right. Okay. So let me show you. Let me reword this question. For example, this question above me, this one here. This question above me might say, using the binomial theorem, expand. Not you. That's what they used, right? But sometimes, sometimes they don't say that. Let me tell you what they want. Let me show you how they rephrase the question. The question might go like this. Can you all right. All right. So find. Oops. What's happening here? All right. Find the coefficient. Find the coefficient of x cubed in the expansion of that. So you will see a question like this. It says find the coefficient of x cubed in the expansion of. So guess what you have to do now? You have to go work it out like this, just work it out like all of that. But when you finish, x cubed, where's x cubed? That's x cubed, don't you?
Yes, sir.
So what they want, is not the whole thing. They just want the number beside x cubed, which is what? Negative 80. So the answer would have been equal to what?
Negative 80.
Negative 80. But guess what? You have to work out the whole thing, not true? Well, I mean, I guess maybe you can stop right here, so not true? You can stop right here. So maybe you don't have to do, you don't have to do all of this. All right? Or if you want to, but what I was thinking, you could probably mentally find out which one of them wanna work out to 8 cube and just deal with that one here, not true? Deal with that middle one here. But I don't know if that's safe. But what you could do, you don't have to necessarily work out the whole thing. You just work out that one here, realize that, okay, there's no x. Work out that one there, oh, there's just x alone. You don't have to work out the number. I just keep on working until you find the what? The one with the x cube. And you work out that number now, and that number is what they want. Alright? Alright, so having said that, having said that, I want you guys by the way, let me just mention something to you. You remember the Pascal triangle?
Yes, sir.
It goes on infinitely, you know. Yeah. There's a formula that you use. There's a formula you use. Hold on, let me see if I can. Alright, so I was looking for a feature. There's a form you could use to find out the coefficient, but let us not go there. Alright, let me just try something. Find the coefficient. Spell right, so spell wrong, so. Find the coefficient Alright, tell you what. I'm having some problems here. Let's expand this. I don't want to tell the foolishness. Expand using binomial theorem. I'm trying to tweak a question, but you know. Let me tell you, it's in the textbook here, all the numbers are big, like 9, 10, 15. You know, they're very high. So I'm having some challenges. You know, they're very big, like 10, 20, 15, 17. The powers. Alright, so I have to be like tweaking. So 3a. So just expand this normally, alright? Let's make it simple. Fourth power. Alright. I'm gonna give you 7 minutes to do this. Alright? So expand this. Shot.
Yes, sir.
Alright, go ahead.
All right.
Just tell me the coefficient also. Just try to
All right. 1. 3a raised to the fourth power. Negative 2b raised to the 0 power.
By the way, you realize that one here kind of a little bit different, don't you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's like you have to do working out on the left and do working out on the what? The right.
Right.
plus 4, 3a raised to the third power. And also negative 2b raised to the 1 power plus 6 3a raised to the second power. Then negative 2b raised to the second power plus 4 and 3a raised to the first power. Then negative 2b raised to the third power plus 1 3a raised to the 0 power then negative and finally negative 2b raised to the fourth power.
All right. Come on, continue.
And the answer that I got is hold on. First you have to say 1 times 3a. Well sir, how am I gonna express it? Start by saying 1 times 3 times 3. That's my question.
Yeah, you could say 1.
Yeah, I would express it as 1 times 3 times 3.
Well, it's 3 4 times, not true?
Yes sir.
Which is 81, not true?
A4. A to the fourth power.
All right, tell you what. Let me tell you what. Is it when I am up at the top? I'm just gonna work out the coefficients. You follow?
Yes sir.
I just want to work at the top here. So what I think what you could also do, do the same thing. Don't try to work out so much things one time. Just try to work out the number first, and then the
Okay.
sign, and then the letter.
Okay sir.
All right.
Yes sir.
So in terms of the number, the coefficient, the final coefficient should have been 1 times 81, and negative 2 raised to the 0th power is
Is
also 1. Right. So all the numbers there is gonna be just 81.
81.
All right, and you're not gonna have any letter because b raised to the 0 power is also 1.
Yes sir.
So all 81 alone you have. All right. Let's go. Let's try to work out the number for the top for the second piece now.
Alright. 4 times 3
It's 4
times 3
times. Well,
times
it's 3
3.
times. Well, hold on. It's 3 times 3 times 3, which is what? 27.
27.
I'm trying to kill some time here. Not really kill some. I have somewhere to go. So I'm trying to
Sir, I got 108.
All right, but hold on. You're gonna have negative negative 2, don't you?
Yes sir.
So a positive and a negative will give you a negative, right? Company running real slow. So when you multiply all this, what you get?
Sir, negative 216. Oh,
Yeah, it's 216. What about the letter?
sir, I was paying paying attention at the letters, you know.
So it's a cube What's up?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, man. A cube and then just B.
Oh,
Because this is B1, you know.
oh,
B1
something wrong.
and then A cube. All right. Let's work out the other letter now. Sorry, the other number. You have 6. 6 times
6 times 3,
times 3, which is 9.
yeah, and get
And then
54.
hold
Hold
on.
on.
And then negative 2 times negative 2, which is what? Positive 4. There you go.
Yes, sir.
Come on. And then no, everything is positive. So all right.
Sir, and get 216.
That
216
seems
again.
that seems a very common number, don't you?
Yes, sir.
What about the letter?
A2
A square, right?
and B square.
And B square. Very good. All right. Let's go to this one now. That's what? 4.
4 times 3,
Because it's 3 to the 1.
negative 8.
Right. Negative 8.
So that give you negative 96.
What about the letter now?
A and B cube. B cube. B cube.
All right.
And then for the final one now, 1 times 3. Oh, hold on, sorry. Remember that 3 raised to the 0. It is always 1. So 1 times 1 times 16
Right.
plus 16. 16 B4. B to the 4th power.
Come on. I got to know. All right. So for next class, we're gonna look at sequences and series. And you have 2 types of series. You have arithmetic progression. You have 2 types of series: arithmetic progression and geometric progression. All right. So for Monday's class, I'm praying to God we can
Excuse me,
finish
sir.
it.
Why the
Yep.
first answer you only have 81 without no A beside it?
Oh man, see that?
But I just love
No man, it was there. It was there, man. But you weren't like.
But we were just working out the numbers
Come on,
first.
remember say your internet kind of slow, you know, so it probably reached late, you know.
Sir, mine not slow.
No, no, it wasn't there for it. It wasn't there for it. Alright.
Sir,
Yeah.
this time I can't say you're just testing us.
All right. So, all right. So for next class, all right, use the book. You see, use the book, and you can just look at what this is all about. Or you can go on YouTube and just find out what this is all about. All right, sequences and series, arithmetic and geometric progression. And after we have done this, then we're going to look at what we call logarithms. All right, and then I'm praying